Hi, this is John, and I want to make a short video before we get into the actual song. This is a really fun song I want to share with you. It's called This Home is Rocky Mountain Certified. Really fun song to play. It's in the key of E, but I want to go over the chords in the key of E major. You have the 1, 4, 5 chord, and the 1 chord is E chord. And everybody knows that I play E chord just about. And then A chord would be at the 2nd fret. You can finger it this way, or you can finger it this way. And some people just make a bar and finger it that way and don't play the first string. Okay, that's the 4 chord. So the E is the 1 chord, the A is the 4 chord, and now B, you could bar the 4th fret and play these 3 strings. You have B that way, or you just play B7. You know, whenever I see B major, I just play a B7, because otherwise to play a B, it's really hard. You can make a bar here, come in like this, strings rattle a little bit, or you might have to come up here to the 7th fret and make a bar like this. That gives you a nice sounding B chord. But just to make things simple, I go to B7 whenever I see a B major chord. Now, the relative minor, which should be the 6th chord, the minor 6th chord, is C sharp minor. And not many people know how to play C sharp minor on the chord. I mean, there are a lot of people, but C sharp minor chord, you know, the hard way is to come up over here, and you're on the, right over here on the 4th fret, making a bar at the 4th fret, and you play it right here. But that's kind of hard to jump from here all the way up to here. Whoop. E chord, then C sharp minor. That's the relative minor. And a really easy way to play C sharp minor, and C sharp minor does come up in this song you're about to play. You come over here, and it's like this. It's like almost, it's like a D7, except you bring your 3 fingers up 1 string, upwards like that. Here's D7. And then just bring these fingers up a string, and you have C sharp minor. But you can only play 4 strings. You know, in reality, rhythm guitar players, they play just 3 strings, 4 strings. It sounds much better just to play these 3 and 4 string chords than to play a full chord. And so C sharp minor, that's the main thing I want you to learn before we start the training song. And C sharp minor, because not many people know how to play C sharp minor. It's real easy. So in the song, you're going from A chord, C sharp minor chord, take that index finger and slide it down a fret, like that. Or if you're going to E, from E chord, C sharp minor, keep your index finger right there and just bring these 2 guys over like this. E chord, okay, now let's get to the song. Now, this song is kind of karaoke style, except you can hear the bluegrass band playing. You can hear the vocal. The vocal is really good. The lyrics are funny. And, well, they're not funny. They're just really entertaining. And so you can play along with it, because I spent a lot of time putting the karaoke words up over the vocal, and then I inserted the chord name. But I am also going to give you a link down below to my Chordify channel. On my Chordify channel, you can follow the Chordify chord progression. Now, you can't see the words, but you could hear the melody. You can hear it just like you're hearing it on YouTube. You can hear the band, you can hear the vocal, but the chord just stream right along, and it shows you. You know, it's kind of like a chord chart on karaoke system. And so you could try this with my video, but after you do my video, go down and click on the link and go to my Chordify channel to watch this and play along with it. It's probably easier to play along with it on Chordify than it is here with my karaoke. Now, so do that, and a couple of days I will put the sheet music on a link down here where you can just click on the link, and you can print up the music, print up the lyrics, print up the chord. That's going to take a few more days to make. Okay, let me be quiet and stop, and let's get into this lesson. I want you to play the song, play the chords along with the band. It's a lot of fun.
We're snowed and cozy, the winds are crying. Up in the mountains, the drifts are high, and we're stacked with firewood and jars beside. This home is Rocky Mountain certified. The snow keeps falling against the doorway. The pines are bending along the byway, but in the kitchen there's stew to try. This home is Rocky Mountain certified. The cellar's full up with peaches canned. The well's still working just like we planned. The kids are singing with mama's pride. This home is Rocky Mountain certified. Glowing with cows and chickens, the old dog snoring, the sheep ain't missing. We hear the laughter from deep inside. This home is Rocky Mountain certified. We'll hit the gardens, the tools we're lifting. We'll stretch and smile a little wide. This home is Rocky Mountain certified. We're snowed and cozy, the winds are crying. Up in the mountains, the drifts are high, and we're fat and happy with hearts untied. This home is Rocky Mountain certified.